another tornado warning.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio, Medina and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a tornado warning for Medina County. This includes the city of Medina. Wayne County. This includes the cities of Worcester, Rittman, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 6 miles north of Lodi, or 8 miles west of Medina, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to West Salem, Creston, Wadsworth, Doylestown, or Mill and Dalton. The forecast for Cleveland